Hello students, in this video I am going to explain you about the reduced syllabus of ICSC physics in the year 2022 examination. Means what will be the syllabus for the present class 10th students in physics, that I am going to and from where you will get this syllabus here. I'm going to share this. First, I am going to tell you from where you will get this. So you can get it from the council's website, which is cisce.org. When you will open this website, the page is like this. You will get like this. It's clear. Here I am showing you the first page. On opening the website of the council's website, the first page will be like this. Here you will get publication. Have you got this publication? You can see here. Here it is publication. When you will click to the publication, what will you get? You will get two files like this. One is for ICSC and other is for ISC. So here I am concerned only with the ICSC. It's clear? Not ISC. So when you will open this, you will get the syllabus of different subjects. Reduced syllabus for ICSC year 2022 examination. You can get from here. It's clear? Now I am going to explain in this video, I am going to explain which topics have been removed and what has been added in 2022 examinations. So you can see here, I am showing you. Wait for a minute. Yes, this is. So here you can see, this is the very first page of your physics book. Your physics book is Concise Physics by Selena Publishers. So it is the very first page, contents. Here you can get the summary. In the chapter 1, force, nothing has been removed, no change. Chapter 2, here also there is no change. Chapter 3, lever has been completely removed, just like the last year. In the previous year also, there was no change in the force. Here in chapter 2 also there was no change. And in machines, lever has been completely removed. It's clear? Now you can see here the next topic. Next topic is light. And under light, 3 chapters comes. So here also you can see that refraction of light at plane surface. Like last year, this year also multiple images in a thick glass plate, it has been removed. It's clear? Multiple images in the thick glass plate. Then refraction through lens. About this I will explain in the further, as mentioned on the very first page of the chapter. Spectrum scattering has been completely removed. It's clear? Then next chapter is sound. Here about this also I will mention later. In the further I will tell you, ahead I will tell you. Now in current electricity, as mentioned in the syllabus, here also household circuit, this is as mentioned in the syllabus. Chapter 10, electromagnetic, like last year, it has been completely removed. In calorimetry, some part of this has been removed last year, but this year it has been added. So in detail you can get later. Afterwards in the chapters, in the beginning of each chapter, syllabus is given. So in that I will show you calorimetry, no change. So calorimetry, no change. Now chapter 12, radioactivity. You can see radioactivity here. And here second part, which is containing fission, fusion and nuclear reaction, that has been completely removed. It's clear? Now you can see the chapter wise. So here you can see chapter wise. When you will see chapter wise, you will find that in the chapter 1, there is no change in this chapter. There is no change. Every topic is there. It's clear? You will do completely. Work, energy, power, chapter 2, there is no change. It's clear? No reduction. In chapter 3, lever and underlined portion has been removed. You can see here. Last year also, previous year also, lever was removed. Now simple treatment of levers. Here lever, principle, first, second, third, nothing. Means you will not study anything about the lever. About lever, you will not study anything. It is clear? You can see here. Here, nothing will be studied. Then see the chapter 4, refraction of light. Only underlined part is removed here. What is underlined part? Multiple images in the thick glass plane mirror. That is removed. It's clear? Nothing, other topics are in your course. Now in chapter 5, refraction through the lens. It's clear? Refraction through the lens. Here only this underlined portion has been removed. Simple direct numerical problems, magnifying glass, simple microscope, that microscope, location of image and magnification from ray diagram, only formula and numerical problem not included. This part about the simple microscope has been completely removed. It's clear? In the power of lens, concave, convex, what is the definition, qualitative and quantitative definition of power of lens, and then basic understanding on the curvature or thickness of the lens. Means thicker lens is having more power or thinner lens is having more power about this. It's clear? Because curvature decides the thickness of the lens. One more thing which I want to highlight here. Last year, this sign convention, you can see here, sign convention I am showing you. You can see this sign convention and direct numerical problems using the lens formula was removed, but this year it has been included. This was removed last year. It's clear? But this year it has been included. It's clear? So you will remember this whole thing is in your course except the underlined part. It's clear? What will you study in the power of lens? Only definition, its qualitative definition, quantitative definition, and basic understanding on the curvature or thickness of the lens. It's clear. So I think that it will be clear. Then in chapter 7, like last year, here in this year also, scattering has been completely removed. No part of scattering, no question on the scattering will be asked. This topic was removed last year also. In chapter 7, sound. In sound, you can see here in the third part, you can see loudness, pitch, and quality of sound. What you have to study in these three, their definitions and the factors on which these depend. It's clear? You have to know the definition of these three terms and the factors on which they depend. Other things, scope of syllabus has been completely removed. Means characteristics of sound and then noise, unit of noise. So everything has been removed. Only very simple thing, their definitions and factors affecting to these. Then after chapter 8 in underlined part has been removed. Experimental verification of Ohm's law, this has been removed. It's clear? Then one more thing here you can see here. Here derivations of expression for equivalent resistance. means when the registers are connected in series, when they are connected in parallel, then the derivation of expressions for equivalent resistance that has been removed. It is clear. Only formula you have to know about the formula and the application of the formula in simple network of registers. Simple network of registers means here involving not more than 4 external registers. It's clear. All other topics are in your course here. Household circuits. In household circuits, these underlined parts have been removed, but last year this ring system was completely removed. But this year it has been once again included, and in that only this thing. Diagrammatic representation has been excluded. You have to know about the ring system of wiring. But in that, diagram is not required. Diagram is not required. It's clear. So this chapter 9, chapter 10 has been completely removed. No need to open this chapter. It's clear. Electromagnetism completely removed. Chapter 11, here also this is completely included. Nothing has been removed from this chapter. Though last year numericals on this latent heat was removed. Numericals on the latent heat was removed. But this year there is no removal of numericals of latent heat. It is included. So this is one change from last year. It's clear. In radioactivity, second part, nuclear fission, fusion and basic introduction and equation, that has been completely removed. So I think that it is very clear to you. You don't have any, you will not have any problem. I am showing once again from the beginning. You can see it's clear. There will be no problem. Here the summary is given that I am showing to you. If you want to take the screenshot, you can take. Then this is the chapter 3. Chapter 4. Chapter 5. Chapter 6. Chapter 7. Chapter 8. Chapter 9. Chapter 10. Chapter 11. And this is the last chapter. So I think that it is very clear to you. You can prepare yourself. You can go through the chapters according to the reduced syllabus. It's clear. Thank you.